We're doing rainbow splattered, white chocolate covered Madeleines. Say that 10 times fast. So I have these splatter painted napkins that I'm using for dinner tonight, and I want the Madeleines to match the napkins. I have mixed together different colors of food coloring, and I'm going to splatter them into the Madeleine molds. I made the Madeleines a couple hours ago. They have chilled, and they are about half size of a Madeleine so that we can fill the rest of the mold with the white chocolate. And we want to make sure all of the Madeleines have all of the colors. And then I have some white chocolate, and I'm only going to put a little bit in each mold because I also have to fit the Madeleine. And it's always going to be a little trial and error in terms of quantity of chocolate, but as we go, we'll get it all right. And then I'm going to pop the Madeleine in and press it down so that the white chocolate spreads. I love the traditional Madeleine shape. It's so classic. And I'm going to wipe the parts of white chocolate that are in between each mold. So that'll just harden, and I'll come back to it in like an hour. I have my pretty silver bowls, and I'm going to take the Madeleines out of their molds. They've hardened beautifully, and they have a pretty rainbow splatter on them. You could do any color to match, like a school color or a holiday color, and these will go on the table as little decorations, but also little bites.